Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading almost 1.5% down from its Friday's closing. Currently it is trading 34,214. It recently made low around 34,165. Dow Jones is trading in weak zone, but let me give you the resistance and support for today's trading session. Dow Jones resistance stands at 34,520. Dow Jones resistance, however, support stands at 33,980. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will see commodities, forex and cryptos. I will also cover Nifty at the end of the video. This is Nasdaq. It is trading 14,561 after making low around 518. It is also down nearly 1% from Friday's closing. So let's have a look at resistance and support now. Nasdaq resistance stands at 14,700. Nasdaq support, however, stands at 14,380. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Dollar index is advancing, so stay cautious in market. Let's move on to this is gold hourly chart. Currently it is trading 1806. It just made low around 1795 and bouncing back very hard from the lows. Let's have a look at resistance and support. It is also trading in weak zone, but resistance stands at $1,815. Support stands at $1,795. It is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy till it is sustaining below $1,815. Let's move on to crude oil, then we will go for forex and cryptos. Finally, crude oil has broke $70. If you watch my Asian session video which I update on Hindi channel, you must be knowing that crude oil is in weak zone since it's open today. If you haven't subscribed that channel, you should do it right away. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you will get the levels just like I am typing right now. I type levels in notepad on other channel as well, so there would be no problem even if you do not understand Hindi. Resistance stands at $71. Support now at $68.20. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to euro, then we will go for British pound. This is euro chart. It made low around 1763 and currently trading 1786. Finally it is trying to bounce back. It is also trading in weak zone till it is not breaking the resistance of 1805. 1805 will act as a resistance now. Support will be 1750 now. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to British pound, then we will indulge ourselves into crypto and Nifty. This is British pound. Finally broke 3700 and made low around 3688. Currently bouncing back from the lows, trading at 3706. Still it is trading in weak zone because the resistance stand at 3770. Support stands at 3650. Let's move on to crypto. First we will say Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading 30,732 after making low around 30,700. It is trading at the lowest point of the day. It recently crashed and currently it seems we will be breaking 30,000 very soon. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin resistance stand at $32,200. Support $29,100. Trend is weak, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Ethereum, then we will see Nifty levels. This is Ethereum currently trading $1,814 after making low around 1806. It is also trading in weak zone. No shocker. Resistance stands at 1920. Support stands at 1750. Let's move on to Nifty. And if you are still liking this video, if you have find this video useful, please click the like button, and you can also share this video with your friends, colleagues by clicking the share button. This is Nifty 50 chart. Finally, it managed to close up around 15,758 after making low around 15,707. If you have watched my morning video, which I update on Hindi channel, you must have known that I have already suggested Nifty week at 830, 820. In fact, I have given a sell signal in Nifty on my Telegram channel. I have an exclusive channel for Indian markets. You can search my channel Arafat Indian Markets on Telegram. Let's quickly give you the resistance and support for Nifty now. Nifty resistance now stands at 910. Nifty support, however, stands at 15,640. It is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.